Vitamin A is a really important micronutrient for the human body. We can either eat it directly, or we can eat beta-carotene, which is a similar molecule that our bodies can convert into vitamin A. It's really important that you get vitamin A, especially in childhood, because if you don't get enough vitamin A, you can suffer from vision degradation and eventual blindness. You'll suffer from a weakening immune system and eventual immune system failure. And with that comes increased disease susceptibility, and even death. Vitamin A deficiency is a serious problem, because in many parts of the world, in areas where people don't usually get a full diet with all of the vitamins and minerals they need, there are millions of people, including millions of kids, who are vitamin A deficient, and as a result, they have vision problems, or they're completely blind. To address this, scientists have created a genetically modified strain of rice called golden rice. The genetic modification allows the rice plant to express beta-carotene inside the rice grains, so it creates grains that are the same size as grains of white rice, but these are colored with a healthy, vibrant yellow from all of the beta-carotene. This is why it's called golden rice. Now, when this stuff was first developed, people were really excited about it because it seemed like a really quick and easy way to cure vitamin A deficiency and the associated blindness. Except in southern and eastern Asia, where these malnutrition problems are the most widespread, governments were slow to adopt golden rice for fears of public outcry. For years, actually, no country had approved it for commercial cultivation and sale. People thought that China was going to open up and start growing golden rice for years, but they never have, even to this day. The most you can do in China is grow golden rice in your home for personal use. So the good news that I bring you today is that the Philippines have become the first country with a vitamin A deficiency problem to approve golden rice as safe for humans and animals, which brings it a step closer to being produced and sold commercially, where it will soon benefit millions of Filipino children who are suffering from vitamin A deficiency. Not just children, but adults as well. If they eat golden rice instead of just regular white rice, they'll get enough vitamin A to sustain healthy vision, and in some cases perhaps even restore degrading vision. Adrian Dubach is a member of the nonprofit Golden Rice Humanitarian Board. He described this decision as, quote, huge, unquote, and estimated that it could reduce deaths among children in the Philippines by up to a third. Now, the Philippine Rice Research Institute and the International Rice Research Institute will carry out tests as they seek to approve farmers for commercial growing. Now, it might seem kind of funny that there's all of these big national and international institutions for rice, but it actually makes a lot of sense, because rice is a staple food that provides life-giving calories for literally billions of people. So it's extremely important that we understand rice, that we understand everything about it. We need to research it to find the best ways to grow it, to find out how to make it as healthy and sustainable as possible, so that it can continue to support human populations long into the future. Even better, Bangladesh is the next country with a vitamin A deficiency problem that's about to approve golden rice. The more countries that adopt golden rice means that more children won't be vitamin A deficient anymore, and that will save lives.